Video, I'm actually down here at Bui Vien Walking Street here in Ho Chi Minh City, so let's go check it out. This ought to be really exciting. This is kind of like the beginning of it from this side. You see how crazily insane it is already. Really exciting street. This is kind of like the main nightlife area here in Ho Chi Minh. Wow, that one's called the volcano. That one's called the ocean. Lots of bars. I think that's all there is here is bars and food places, but mainly bars. Probably the same length as Bangla. Definitely a long street. It still goes. At least on the other side. Even to get the good seafood, get the size of those babies. Woo, man, they're big. Look at that guy. That's called a tiki bar. Let's see. More eating places on this end. Walking Street. Let me know down in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Really does help out my channel, really. seafood. I have to say, when I was in Da Nang, I've never seen more lobster in my life. I went down to that Santra market, and there was so much lobster down there. Unbelievable. It was very cheap too. And I thought I saw a lot of lobster when I was in Phuket, but that just blows it away, honestly. So we've come to the other end of Bui Vien Walking Street, the other side. And I came from all the way down there, so it's a good little walk, which is good. I love walking. Now let's see, we'll walk a little bit slower. Oh, no thank you. No thanks. Indian food, I love Indian food. I think the smallest street that I saw so far, it was a place called Pub Street, which is in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and that was not that long. This has very more active than when I was there. Maybe I just there at the wrong time, I don't know. And you can stay in hotels here too. It seems like this is the end where all the food is. You know, so what I thought I'd do is I'm actually kind of reversing direction, and I'm gonna stop at certain points and just kind of go back and forth here. So just to give you an idea, I came from over there, and you can see the vibrance of this street is really incredible. Okay, here's another location, maybe about 30 meters further than I was, heading the other way. And you just see all these little restaurant scenes. What do you got? An Indian food cuisine. And right behind me you have another seafood shop. And let's go check this seafood out. And I'll show you how cool that is. I mean, look at this seafood, man. Oh, not yet. I may come back, I'm not sure. So just another scene. Pretty cool. That's called the, I'm not sure what's going on. Instead of like walking straight through it like I did coming through, my little breaks in between. These cooks in the back, man. You can see everything done right here. That is totally awesome. Make my way a little bit up this way and stop again. not sure how this background music is going to affect my video. Pretty wild. Oh, it's okay. Thanks. Very wild street. That's all I can say. And this is early in the evening. It's only, I think, like 7 o'clock, 7:30. Goes all the way till 3 in the morning, I think. Got some dancers up there. A lot of security dudes. So this is like a little bit of a side street right off of the walking street, so I thought I'd take a little break and bring you around this way. Exciting nightlife scenes. Think about Bui Vien Walking Street. I really appreciate it. I'm kind of going out a few of the side streets out here, which are right nearby. Well, that's the end of this video of Bui Vien Street here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. I hope you enjoyed it. It's really a vibrant place. I mean, I'm so excited just to see it, and it's a good feeling. I've been here a couple hours now. It's time to go back to the hotel and put this video together. And here's some lasting shots of Ho Chi Minh City, right outside of a barbecue area. And I hope to see you in my next video, so see ya.